Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in the Green with Envy Tablescape. And this tablescape is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Dime, which is Marilyn's channel, and it's co-hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, which is Kimberly's channel, and also co-hosted by Style by Kira, which is Kira's channel. And I'm going to list all their channels down below in the description box, along with a playlist. And let me tell you, if you've ever wanted to know how to style a green tablescape, this is a challenge to watch. There are going to be so many different green tablescapes on here, so stay tuned and let me show you exactly what I'm doing. To begin with, I'm starting right here with this salt and pepper shaker that used to be my mother's. She had this entire dish set back in the early 70s, and she got rid of the dishes, but somehow these salt and pepper shakers have survived through the years and have been passed down to me. And now I actually think about recollecting that dish set that actually goes to those, because every once in a while I'll see pieces to it out when I'm thrifting. So I'm actually considering to start collecting that dish set again. I don't know if I could get the whole thing, but it may be fun to try. Now let me show you here, almost everything on my table is either thrifted or from Dollar Tree. There are a couple of other things, but the majority of it is from Dollar Tree or thrifted. Now, right here in the center, I have this beautiful green bowl, and this was just thrifted a couple days ago. Inside of it, I have this white candle, which was also thrifted. Now, on my actual place settings, I have this gold charger, and it's kind of funny, this gold charger is tending to make my green plates look almost a khaki color, but they are definitely green. Same with my napkin. My napkin is definitely green. I purchased that napkin from Bed Bath & Beyond for just 69 cents in their clearance aisle. And I know in here it almost has a brown look to it, but it is definitely green. So it's funny how the lighting and what you put with something kind of makes the colors change. Now, the most expensive thing on this table is actually my garland. And my garland is from Hobby Lobby, and it normally sells for $17.99, but I highly recommend waiting until their florals go on sale for 50% off, or else use the 40% off coupon that they have every week, because this garland is absolutely gorgeous and you won't regret getting that from Hobby Lobby. And you can kind of see I just have some fairy lights strung throughout it. And I just picked up those fairy lights last year after Christmas at Meijer's at their half off sale. So I think I paid like $3 for the fairy lights. Now here you can see that my stemware are from Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree dishes. I think their stemware is so pretty and their dishes are just great. And you know, if you just look and make sure you don't get any flawed ones, you can get some really nice stuff at Dollar Tree. The last couple of years they've been doing a fabulous job in my opinion. Now I have my silverware here, and then I have this beautiful gold charger that is supposed to resemble like gold leaf, and I actually picked that charger up from Walmart, and that charger is found in their wedding section, not in the dish section. Then I thrifted these little dessert cups. These were just great. If you're interested in seeing how much I paid for those, I'll go ahead and leave a link to my thrifting haul up above, and you can watch that if you'd like to. Now these green plates, along with this green centerpiece bowl, I actually just purchased those this week at the thrift store, and I don't even have that thrifting haul up yet, and I will put it up later this next week. So if you're interested in seeing how much I paid for those, check out later this next week and I will have that thrifting haul up and you can see how much I paid for all those. Now this napkin ring, I actually thrifted that as well, and that is on one of my thrifting after lockdown videos, and I'll go ahead and leave a link up above for that as well if you're interested. The thing I absolutely love about doing these is you can make a beautiful tablescape that looks elegant for very little money. That's one of my passions for doing YouTube, is I want everybody to realize you can have beautiful things. You can have things that look expensive and elegant, and you don't really need a lot of money to put things together. You can go to the dollar store, you can go to the thrift store, and it's just all on how you put it together. You don't need to have a ton of really expensive things. You can see I just added a ranunculus garland around the very bottom of my table, just to bring that green color all the way from the top of the table all the way down to the bottom. And a little bit closer up view of my thrifted centerpiece along with my thrifted candle in it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this has encouraged you to realize that you don't need a lot of money to make something look beautiful. It's really just in how you style it, and it's not in how much something costs. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.